IHL scrimmage. 1 week before playoffs. Time to sharpen our skills.
Next week is the playoffs.
All right, change them up. He lost the coin flip. He lost the coin flip.
Hey, he should, I said go first. He should have 30 minutes late.
Get him, Cole. Yeah. Stay back. Good. Stay back, Jack. Stay back. Center ice. Keep it in. Nice job, Riley. Uh-oh. Oh, they dribbled one in. Go get it. Beat him there, Aiden. Beat him. Oh. He was like melting. Nice pass. Good job. Good job. Way to move the puck around, guys. There you go. Dump it in. Dump it in. Dump it in. Dump that puck. Pass it! Oh, come on, Ryan. Yeah, it's a problem. Go, Max! Oh, Max!
Why is it
Good job, Nikki. Way to protect the puck. Excellent job, Nikki. Oop. Keep it in. Get it back, Max. Get back. Get to the blue line. Get there, Max. Get there. Get there. Oh, that almost dribbled out. Pass it. Pass the puck. Come on, you guys. That shot had zero chance. Pass the puck.
I'm sorry.
What, we got too many guys?
What's wrong? Pass it!
Good job, Alex. Way to drop back on T. Keep it in, Max. Keep it in. Go to the net, Ryan. Go. Faster. Faster.
Rebound.
You got to go to the net, Ryan.
Get on the ice.
Here comes Max. Here comes Max. Faster, faster, Jack. Ryan, Ryan. Go, go, Alice.
I'm supposed to.
You double shifted, dude. You're tired. Get position.
Get up on the blue line, Jack. Good job. Good job, Tyler. Oh, that's dangerous, dangerous.
Get out of the middle, Ryan.
Here we go. Go to the net, Joe. Faster, Joe. Go. Get to the net. Get to the net. Oh, he's there. Good job.
Stick down. Stick down. Be ready. Stick down.
All right. Good job. Get that shot away. Nice. Nice shot. Good job, Riley. Pass it. Nice. Get that shot away. Go to the net, Aiden. Go to the net. Go to the net. Good.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Good job, Brandon. Get that shot off. Nice. Nice pass. Get back, Brandon. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Good job. Oh, nice passing by the majors there. Come on, you guys. Let's pass the puck around. It's just a fun game. Let's move the puck. Get some shots off.
Are we gonna have practice this Monday?
Yeah. Monday and Wednesday. Playoffs are coming. Here we go. Good job, guys. That was a pretty big scoop shot by Max. Oh, get there, Joe. Get there. Fight for it, Joe. Fight for it. Your puck. Nice job, Max. Nice job. Oh, yeah. Get there. Oh. Keep it in, Max. Bang it. Bang it. Come on, Max. Put mustard on it. It's only day score you come out.
That's 2-2.
No, no, it's 3-2. 3-1.
No, we got 2 goals. Riley got 1.
Oh, okay.
Hey, who's on that score table?
Jack, that's your puck. Get it, get it, get it. Good icing. Go to the blue line, Jack. Go to the blue line. Go to the blue line. There you go. Center ice. Center ice. Right in front of the goalie. Good. Stay there. Now to the boards. Jack, to the boards. To the boards. To the boards. All the way to the boards. Good.
Stick on the ice, Ryan.
Good job, Tyler. To the boards. To the boards.
Short-handed, ice it. Short-handed, ice it.
Go to the net. Go to the net.